Imagine building something that billions of people would eventually use every single month without knowing whether anyone would use it all. Now imagine spending months creating an app only to realize almost everything you built was wrong. Most people would be kept going. Some would be given up. But one man made a decision that sounded completely insane. He deleted almost everything. He kept just one simple feature, a tiny feature that nobody believed could become a business. That single decision would eventually change photography, social media, and even the way humans remember their lives. Today, Instagram has connected billions of people across the world. It has created celebrities, built $1 million businesses, changed politics, influenced culture, and completely transformed the internet. But here's the question. How does a simple idea become one of the most influential products in human history? Was it intelligence, luck, perfect timing, or was it something far more powerful that almost nobody noticed? This is the extraordinary story of Kevin Systrom, the man who proved that sometimes success doesn't come from adding more. It comes from having courage. The remove everything that doesn't matter. So, before we win, I want to remember one thing. Every $1 billion company you've ever heard of started as an idea that looked too small, too risky, or simply too crazy. Instagram was no different. In fact, if you had seen Kevin Systrom first startup, you probably would be said, this will never work. Before we move on with the video, I want to tell you something. I don't have powerful PC setup or high-end phone for professional editing. I just use a simple AI brand smartphone. But don't worry, I will give my absolute 100% and put in my best effort to create videos that are valuable, enjoyable, and truly help for you. I hope you like them and find them useful. Ironically, you would be right because Instagram was actually born from failure. Most people assume Kevin grew up dreaming of become a billionaire entrepreneur. He didn't. Long before the headlines, before the $1 billion acquisition, before the millions of users, Kevin was simply a curious kid growing up in Massachusetts. He wasn't chasing fame. He wasn't trying to build the next big company. He was fascinated by one thing, creating. While most children were busy playing games, Kevin was equally interested in understanding the machine behind them. He loved taking ideas apart in his mind, asking questions that the most people never asked. Why does this work? Could it work differently? What if someone built something better? These sound like ordinary questions, but history has strength habit. It rewards the people who never stop asking them. Psychologists often talk about something called future-oriented thinking. It's the ability to imagine possibilities long before the rest of the world can see them. Most people see reality. Visionaries see potential. That tiny difference has changed the course of the history more times than we can count. And Kevin was quietly developing the mindset without even realizing it. If you had met him back then, nothing about him would be screamed feature billionaire. As wasn't the loudest person in the room. He wasn't the stereotypical genius everyone admired. He simply paid attention. Sometimes the people who change the world aren't the ones trying to impress anyone. They are the ones quietly observing what everyone else ignores. As Kevin grew older, his curiosity only became stronger. He wasn't satisfied with just using technology. He wanted to understand how products made people feel. Because technology alone is never enough. People don't fall in love with software. They fall in love with experiences, with simple truth. Would one day become the foundation of Instagram. But Kevin had no idea yet. Life was still preparing him. Then came one of the biggest turning points of his life. He was expected into Stanford University. For many people, getting into Stanford would be felt like reaching his finished line. For Kevin, it was only the beginning. Stanford wasn't just on the best universities in the world. It sat at the heart of something much bigger. Silicon Valley, a place where impossible ideas become billion-dollar companies, where students didn't just dream about getting jobs, they dreamed about creating industries. Imagine walking across campus every day, hearing conversations about startup, new inventions, and people your own age trying to change the future. Whether you realize it or not, your environment slowly changes your ambitions. You begin believing things that once seemed impossible. One of the greatest truths in life is this. Your surroundings silently shape your future long before your decisions do. And Stanford was reshaping Kevin's future every single day. Kevin studied management, science, and engineering. But the most valuable lessons weren't written in textbooks. They came from watching entrepreneurs, studying products, observing why some idea exploded, while others despaired forever. He noticed something almost everyone overlooked. People rarely care about complicated technology. They care about simple experiences that make their lives better. The simpler the product feels, the harder it unusual it's so built. That realization stayed with him quietly, patiently, waiting for the right moment. Looking back, it's easy to believe Kevin's success was inevitable, but that's one of history's greatest illusions. When we know the ending, we underestimate the struggle. Nobody knew Kevin would build Instagram. Not his classmates, not investors, not even Kevin himself. Because the future has a funny way of hiding behind ordinary days. Sometimes the biggest turning point in your life looks exactly like any other day, and Kevin's turning point was closer than he could ever imagine. Very soon, he would face a rejection that felt like failure. But years later, the world would realize it was actually the beginning of everything. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you thoughts of it? If you like to see the next part of this story, just comment below. Bye.